Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the app. Open Google Translate and set your source and target languages so translations begin immediately. Once done, tap the microphone or camera icon to start speech or image translation. You need to grant microphone and camera access for live features. Make sure to download an offline language pack if you expect no internet, because offline mode uses device models. Start with simple phrases to confirm input recognition and adjust language pairs. When the app misidentifies the spoken or photographed language, you'll find live translation via the microphone. Tap it, speak clearly, and the app displays text and plays audio. Use conversation mode to let two people speak and see translated replies in real time. For signs or menus, tap camera and aim. Instant mode overlays translated text, while scan captures high-quality text you can edit. Once done, enable tap to translate in settings so you can translate text inside chat apps without switching. This saves time when copying short phrases or messages. Finish by saving useful translations with the star so they're available offline and review them in saved. If audio or camera fails, go to Android settings, re-grant permissions, or clear the app cache. Make sure the Translate app is updated to the latest version to pick up bug fixes. If recognition remains inaccurate, download the offline language pack, reduce background noise, and restart your phone. This simple reset often restores microphone or camera access and removes temporary glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.